Hello team. In this session, we will learn to create an indent or a purchase requisition for items in the MTO or QTO for a particular project. To do that, first, we select project for which the purchase requisition is to be created. Once we do that, under the header fields, we click on the chain link to select the respective QTO number. Then we can get the list of all the items in the QTO. We can select a particular item and adjust the quantity for which the purchase requisition is to be raised and then click on Append. On appending the work area, click on Location, where the items are to be required, will get auto-appended. On the item line, it is important to document the required by the date that is the date on which the items will be required on site for execution purposes. Once we input all the information, our indent or the purchase requisition is ready to be saved. One thing is important to note that the system will not allow the user to create a purchase requisition for the quantity which exceeds the QTO quantity for that particular item. Once we click on Save, the purchase requisition or the indent will be created. Thank you for watching this video.